Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up VidIQ Chrome extension. And this works whether you have a YouTube channel or just have YouTube account and you're using YouTube and want to see what VidIQ can actually give to you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to set this up on the Google Chrome browser. So as you can see here, I'm on Google Chrome and I do have a channel here, which I'm going to go into the channel as well and show you what that looks like in a moment here. But if you have a channel or not, it doesn't really matter. You can still set up the vidIQ extension and use it. So how do you go about set this up? Once you're on your browser, guys, just simple go ahead and click the three dots on the upper right hand side, and you want to go down to where it says extensions. Then click and visit the Chrome Web Store. From here, you want to use a search at the top and simple type in vidIQ. Then you will find the vidIQ extension start to populate. You can click on that and it's going to take you right over to the vidIQ extension here. All you have to do is click and add to Chrome and then click and add again from that pop-up. And it's going to quickly add the vidIQ extension to your Google Chrome. Now, once that is done, it's going to redirect you over where it's going to install and set up the vidIQ for you, right? And it's going to redirect you to a YouTube
Welcome
video,
to VidIQ.
as you can see here, but you don't have to really
If you're
do
watching
anything
this,
with
you've
video,
already
to be honest, right? So what you can do from here now is just go ahead and close out of that. And if you have a YouTube website open, you can just simply refresh and it's going to show you that the vidIQ extension is added. And as you can see on the upper right hand side from the home page, it is there, right? You can hover over that and you can see it. Now, to see more what it looks like as well, you can see the changes here at the bottom of each video. You can see some scores and all those good stuff. And if you open up any video, let's take this for example, you can see towards the right hand side now of this video that it started to show the vidIQ extension, right? And you can see the views, you can see some overview, you can see some AI stuff here. And if you scroll down, you'll find more things such as tags and all those good stuff, right? From vidIQ. If you have a vidIQ Premium, you can see so much more. And guess what? Even if you head over to the channel as well, you can get some more details about the channel with vidIQ. So here at the top, you can see shows view channel stats. You can click on that and you can see channel stats as well. If you click on this vidIQ icon here where the three dots are on the right hand side, you can see, for example, trending video. You have CSV export and you can add that as a competitor, and I'm going to add it as a competitor and show you what's going to happen. So what you have to do, you have to really sign into your vidIQ account. So what I recommend you to do is just simple go ahead and go to the vidIQ app. So you want to go to vidIQ and you want to head over to the website afterwards and just quickly sign into your account. So not only do you need to add the extension to your browser, but you need to sign in as well. So you want to connect your channel. So I'm going to click on connect channel right here and just have it sign into my Google account there and just continue by allowing vidIQ to sign up and sign into my channel. And this is what this channel will look like. And here you would be in the vidIQ dashboard, right? And here your channel is connect. So here it says connect channel. So you can try to click on connect channel again. And if the channel is connected, you want to go ahead and just allow vidIQ to, have full access to your channel. And it's going to quickly add your channel. And you will see once it adds your channel will be added and you can find all your channel stats. So you will be able, it will start to load things from your channel such as your videos, your stats, all of those good stuff about your channel you'll be able to find here as well. On the upper right hand side you have your plans, you have the other things regarding your channel. Left hand side you have the home button where you can generate ideas and see ideas, keywords and all those good stuff. Optimize, if you hover over optimize or click on optimize, it's gonna show you, take you to over where you have your videos and you'll be able to see all of your videos there. In future video I'm going to show you a premium view of what vidIQ looks like and how you can do quite a lot with vidIQ. So I'm going to show you how it looks with my channel because I'm currently using vidIQ Premium or the vidIQ paid plan so that you can get some insight of what it looks like on the back end when you're using the vidIQ Premium. Here as well you have the research. You can do outliners, you can do keyword research, competitors, subscribers, you can create thumbnails with AI, daily ideas, you can generate videos, title, tags, all of those good stuff there. So even script With it, you can create as well. You also have the power to use the AI chat to get ideas and to do quite a lot with the AI there. And you can learn a lot, develop yourself. And of course, the last option here is to upgrade. But once you add that, guys, you will have vidIQ in your channel on the back end. So once you go in and sign into your channel, you will have vidIQ available to you, so you can use to optimize your videos and so forth. Now, as I said, this channel does not contain any videos, but in future videos you will see and you will learn how to use vidIQ. If you look on the left hand side here, you can see that it expands YouTube, that your YouTube studio, where you have quite a lot more things embedded within the vidIQ that you can use, that, let's say, enhance your whole YouTube studio experience, and you can use them. But that's it, guys. That's how you'll install and use vidIQ on Google Chrome for your YouTube channel. It's very easy and very simple. And if you would like to learn more about vidIQ, hit that subscribe button, guys. And towards the end of this video, you will see a playlist as well where you can check out those videos and start learning how to use vidIQ. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.